So finally, dumating na in-order kong outdoor CCTV. It works with Google Home and works with Alexa. So when you open it, ayan, meron agad sticker where you can put in your gate or somewhere para anybody can see that you have this CCTV 24/7. And this sticker is a guide para kung saan nyo i-screw yung CCTV. It's a guide. You just stick it on the wall and then drill the hole para meron kayong guide. Hindi iba-iba yung saan nyo ilalagay yung screw. Inside is this charger. It has a very long cable para kahit saan nyo ilagay, abot siya. You don't have to do extensions. And this is the actual unit. Malaki-laki siya and very ganda ng design. It's a dual camera, so the top is naka-fix lang siya and then the bottom 360 yan. One of the features I love about this CCTV is meron siyang sensor sa gabi tapos iilaw yung pinaka-camera. Ang lakas ng ilaw niya, to think na nailawan na yung backyard namin talaga. So magugulat yung mga intruders na maiilawan sila. And once wala na siyang ma-detect na moving object, magsasara siya ng sarili niya. So yan, wireless connection siya to the Xiaomi app. Ayan, the other camera, you can control it 360 yan. Any angle, every angle, pwede mong makita. Just control it by your phone. Also, I can manually turn on the lights if I want to para mas makita ko kung ano yung nasa labas. And there you have it. Those are the two cameras that we have. The other one is fixed and the other one is you can rotate, you can control para anywhere you can see around your backyard. Tapos, meron siyang alarm, as in mag-a-alarm siya na ang lakas ng alarm niya. Hindi ko na maano kasi hindi ko na na-record. Ang lakas talaga, nakakaya. But, it's safe para kapag may emergency din kayo, ma-alert yung kapitbahay or kung sino. Tapos, kapag may nakita kayong hindi nyo kilala, pwede nyo i-alarm para magulat yung burglar. And ayan, makikita nyo, pag may na-detect siyang motion, ayan, merong able record niya. Tapos, yan yung nasa under yan ng surveillance. But of course, you can put SD card para pwede kayong mag-review ng CCTV. Thanks for watching. Link on my bio. Thank you!